To be able to send messages with your voice, if you wish to convert your voice to a text or your speech to a text while sending a message on a Samsung Galaxy S26, then in that case we need to go to Google Messages, open the conversation to whom you want to send the message, and in here we're going to tap on the text message field. Once you open the keyboard, then most likely here in the bottom left corner you should be able to find this microphone. You want to tap on it and grant all the necessary permissions to be able to use this feature. Now, as you can see on the video, whatever I say out loud, it is converted into a text. Once you are done with your speech, you can tap on the microphone again, and of course you can send the message. In case you don't have the microphone in here or on the right side, then you want to go to the settings of the keyboard. So you're going to tap on this setting icon at the top of the keyboard over here. Next, scroll down a little bit and search for the voice input, and make sure that either Samsung Voice Input or Google Voice Typing is selected over here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.